how to open and change batteries for Hisense standing AC remote. So if you have the Hisense standing AC and then you want to change the AC remote battery, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The first one to note is your Hisense standing AC remote might be different from the one you are seeing here, but this is actually the Hisense standing AC remote I have. So if you have something different, just follow the same approach. It works on all Hisense AC remote. So the first one to do is want to flip the Hisense AC remote battery to the back. Then you should see the battery at the bottom. Now for you to be able to open and then remove the battery or open and change the battery, locate the direction of the battery cover. You can see my battery cover is pointing downward. That shows to remove this particular battery on the Hisense standing AC, I need to press and hold the battery cover and then drag down like this. Then you should see your battery. Now to remove the battery, just locate the positive side without spring, then press and remove it. Then again repeat the same thing on the other battery. Now if you don't know which type of battery to use on your Hisense standing AC remote, then you should see the battery recommended here is about 1.5 volts here. Then go ahead and grab your new battery. I have this particular battery. I removed this one from the standing AC remote and then I'm going to use this. Now to change the battery, locate negative side and then the positive side on your battery, then also locate negative side and then the positive side, then install it accordingly like this, and then install the second battery like this. Once you've installed the AC battery, then go ahead and use the cover and then lock it. Once you've locked it, then come back to the screen. Then you should see the AC screen reset. Then you can now go ahead, use this to turn on your AC, and then you're good. So that is basically how to open and change batteries for Hisense standing AC remote. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.